this is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum.
You doing way better and all out of your feelings. Yo, it just came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, fuck that little nigga. Girl, fuck that little nigga. 'Cause you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't.
Hey Goofy Squad, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Malia.Angelic, you know. And so this is gonna be like a review and a story time about HelloFresh. It is not sponsored. Like, none of my videos with HelloFresh were sponsored or anything at all. I did it myself because I didn't like my meal plan last year, because like I felt like it was a waste, because most stuff it was just a repeat, and I didn't like venture out because it was nothing really good there. So I was like, this year I got a kitchen. I'm like gonna treat like I'm in an apartment basically. And I was like, you know what, HelloFresh, like they've been having a big coupon, and you just been seeing like on TV all the ads talking about HelloFresh is this, HelloFresh that, da da da. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it, because I was like, either I was gonna try HelloFresh or Blue Apron, but I ended up deciding to just do HelloFresh because I just felt like it was the better option, especially with the more discounts. So I chose HelloFresh. I had my first week, like I got I got my first box August 26th, which was the first day of my school week for college, and come to 4 meals. And if you haven't already checked my unboxing video, please go check that out. I already have it uploaded on my channel. But yeah, and so I didn't like look at any videos about HelloFresh, like people talking about reviews about HelloFresh or anything. I just was like, I'm just gonna try it and we're just gonna see. So I do not recommend doing that. You need to look at some reviews just to make sure you actually want to go well into it, like, and you know what to do, because I did not know. So, but in the unboxing video, literally all the packages came in a bag, and I literally just put them in the freezer, not knowing that, Malia, open up the bags. Only certain stuff need to be in the freezer. Some need to be refrigerated. Some don't need to be in the refrigerator at all. So most of the items that I had, like, and then I didn't make my meals until a week later because I already had pre-meals. Like, I have frozen meals that I already had, and I wanted to get those out the way before I start cooking the HelloFresh, which once again I do not recommend. And so literally my vegetables, my fruit that I had in my videos, like a tomato, like I had 2 tomatoes that I needed for a video, but they were frozen, and then I unfroze them, and they were just full of water, and it was just, when I tried to make it, it just popped and it just bust, like, and it was just all mushy. My poblano peppers were basically kind of like the same way. They weren't full of water. They weren't technically full of water, but you know, it just wasn't its right consistency. Nor was my fingerling potatoes. They were just foamy, and I was just like, My rosemary, my scallions, that was completely ruined. My sour cream was completely ruined. I'm glad I already had sour cream, Daisy sour cream, from one of my previous meals before I even did my HelloFresh, because baby, that sour cream said, do not freeze or whatever. Don't put it in the freezer. But I put it in the freezer already. I didn't even know. I didn't even link to open up the box. So I just want to let you guys know, you need, once you open up the box, open each bag, and you need to separate. And you need to make sure you because the little on the meal things, it will like tell you the ingredients that you need, and most time you don't really need to measure things out because they give you your exact measurements for your specific meal plan and how many people you're serving. So yeah, that was just tragic. First try. Overall, all the meals were good except for one, and I already knew it wasn't gonna be the best because I don't eat pork that much. So the one I'm talking about is the figgy balsamic pork. I mean, I wouldn't say it was bad. I mean, like, bad, you shouldn't try it or anything. But me, I don't eat pork like that, and I'm just a picky eater. So it just wasn't good to me. I didn't like it. And then again, y'all know what I went through, putting everything in the freezer and then throwing it out. So that could have went into play with things because, and then it was a week later before I actually start cooking. So that's not good. Because HelloFresh is weekly things, so you cook it within the week that you get the box. But that's what we're going to do with our second box. So stay tuned for that video. I'm going to do another unboxing the right way, okay? And record my meals for that week too. Also, I want to let me get back because I was about to get y'all to the end. Let me get back. But yeah, the figgy balsamic, it wasn't that good. Like, that whole meal went to trash. Like, that was a waste for me. And like with my meals, I like so it's just me. I cook me, myself, and I. Me, myself, and I. So when I cook, I like half the portion for what I'm going to eat for dinner, and then I save it for leftover for another night because my meal plan is 2 servings, but it's just me, so got me 2 meals, baby. But yeah, let's flip to the end of this video, give you good information. What I was gonna say. See, I lost my train of thought. Oh my gosh. Well, I don't even remember what I was saying. But oh, I remember. My YouTube video schedule is gonna be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3:00 p.m. from now on because I am a college student and I can't be posting all my videos every day because I don't record that many videos and be posting every single day. So we're gonna do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3:00. That seems like a good, reasonable time. So if not, then y'all just let me know when it's a good time to post a video, and then I'll make sure I post it when you're ready. But yeah, I already have my videos pre-planned for next week. Like, they're not pre-planned, but they're pre-scheduled. So, and this is gonna be one of them. This is gonna be my next Friday video. So y'all better to stay on the lookout, okay? Like, I need to turn y'all bell on, get post notifications every time I post, as soon as I post, okay? But like all YouTubers say, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Peace.